for this worksheet, I just want to kind of talk about a couple things. One, make sure you pay attention to what the x variable is. Area, you can see here, it's area. And so that means this is your slope, the 16.6, and the y-intercept, where it says intercept. Sometimes that word says constant, is 51.92. So I feel like we've had a lot of practicing the slope. Read that over, practice that. But I really want to talk about in this page is how the 95% confidence interval and the hypothesis test lead to the same conclusion. So the hypothesis test, we're just testing a not equals to 0, but the t-value and the p-value you do get from the chart. Remember, this whole bottom row deals with slope. So our t-value is about 5, our p-value is really low. So we're going to reject the null and say there is a significant linear relationship. So if even getting back to rejecting the null and saying this is what you think is true, okay? Remember, if slope is 0, that means there's no relationship. So if we look at our confidence interval, we have positive 9.46 to positive 23.8. Do you see how B1 equals 0 is not a valid range? 0 is not within that. So that's another reason we can see the confidence interval, the slope, does not include 0. So we would, again, reject the null hypothesis. So that's how it shows it leads to the same conclusion. So you're going to be given a problem that the only thing I give you is the confidence interval, and just from that alone you tell me whether you reject the null or not. So good luck with that.